all, this is Param. So in this videos at the very high level, what all we can do at the ILMs, how we can do, okay, that's high level information, and we will see how to migrate the existing index by the ILMs, okay, to automatic manage indexes, okay. Okay, fine. As I said, all the policy information are stored in the snapshots. Okay, sorry, in the global state of clusters. If you want to if you want to take the policy also in the snapshots, you can configure, right. While taking snapshots, there is a configure parameters called include underscore global underscore state to true. Okay, by that configurations, all this all the information which is stored in the global state, that also get backed up or state or get snapshot create I mean included in the snapshots. Okay, if you want to that. So obviously we all the policies are stored in the global state, obviously we need. Okay, and so we can create either policy in the any node, sorry, in Kibana UI and API, but for the starter Kibana UI is best. Okay, and but quick setups also, but if you are looking for the sharing with others or reusing across a project or account, then depend on API would be good. So you can carry your API, and in your new project you can simply update the parameter and sensitive information, then you can go ahead. Okay, so that is one of the advantages. Okay, so you can create the collections and postman, something like that. Okay, fine. So as I said, any policy will have the hard face obviously by default. Okay, any policy cannot be without hard face. Okay, and the hard face cannot be empty. If it is empty, it is invalid policy, simple. Okay, if it is empty, it is invalid policy. Similarly, okay, so with the number of okay, so the what are the phases we are defining, so similarly kind of node has to be there, otherwise fallback will happen. Okay, but there is no error. Let's say we are defining warm phase, but we don't have warm node, only hot node we have, then obviously what will happen? So warm we will get error sometimes while defining policy, or the fallback will happen. Okay, so automatically index will not move out of the hard node. But so whatever the nodes we have in the data type in a hard form architecture, usually hot, warm, cold, frozen, and delete. Okay, obviously these are the phases. Okay, obviously no kind of node, only 4 node will be there. Okay, so if you have that node, please define the policy. Please define the phases or include the phases in your policy. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, so that is a good advice. In fact, okay. So of course we know, right, policy are associated with the index template or alias. All right, yeah, policies are associated with the data stream, data streams or index aliases. Okay, so we have to define the index so we have to define accordingly our index template. Okay, and if it is aliases, first as I said many times, the bootstrap index ourselves has to be created. While creating that times we have to follow the naming convention, otherwise we will get error. Okay, if it is data streams, no need to worry, so automatically ILM will take care. Okay, similarly one policy can be applied to the multiple indexes. That's how alias comes into the picture, right, comes into the pictures. Okay, okay. Now if you want to remove the any ILM policy, you can remove. I think I have that API as well. Remove, yeah, remove is there. Okay, so if you want to remove any ILMs in a particular index, you can put in the particular data streams or what the aliases, you can remove the remove also. So, okay, and then okay, of course we for the existing stuff, let's say index has been created in a very long back. Okay, but we want to apply the ILM policy. Yes, that's how we will do in Kibana also, right? So for existing index also you can apply the index. So using API in the settings we will apply that. Okay, index.lifecycle.name, that is a key value, that is a key or configured parameters which will have the name of the lifecycle policy. Okay, then that is a high level operations. Okay, if you want to migrate the existing allocations, okay, if you are migrate no, that there are some thing advisors are there. Okay, in the allocate actions you have seen that it has it has what is that, include, exclude, and require. Okay, these are custom attribute. Okay, these are custom attribute. In old days they are, it seems those custom attributes has used an earlier version of LK. Okay, so that is that feature still included in the recent version also, but the advice is what is, you please depend on the data type role and node.role. Okay, rather than that's what I think I have highlighted here. Okay, so yeah, you depend on the node.roles, okay, rather than custom attribute. But I don't know exactly what is the reason they are, why they are not recommending, or they are explicitly saying, they are explicitly asking us to prefer the node.roles, but I don't know exact reason, but they are saying don't depend on the custom attributes. Okay, I don't know what will be problems. Okay, of course we will define the custom attribute, you know how to define, right? What is that, some index dot some custom attribute data, some key values there that we can configure in the elasticsearh.yml files. Okay, so using that we can migrate, we can include, we can allocate. Okay, so we can allocate, so that's what. Okay, so but it is preferred to not use the custom attribute, prefer to node.role roles. Okay, that's what advice here. And okay, if it is what is that, then what else is there? Okay, of course if you want to set the filters, you can set the null, that's also option is there. Then one more thing I want to tell you, let's say that's what, whatever the faces, whatever the nodes are there, type of nodes are there, only include those faces in your ILM policies. Okay, that is what the heads ups, that is what the advice. Okay, recommendations. Okay, don't create slightly something like that. Okay, and again if it is in the data streams, we don't worry. Okay, that is what here I have said, according to our hardware architecture, phases must be defined. Okay, if there is no data, no node in a particular tier, don't include. Okay, hard phase must is default ones. Okay, empty hard phase is not accepted. I already did it. And why they are asking us to include the phases if you are having node, na, it will, yeah, ILM automatically insert your insert migrate actions. Okay, so that's how it will migrate from one phase to another of any index. So that's why they are asking us. So migrate actions automatically in a migrate action, and one more actions also. Okay, so it will be ingested automatically. Okay, according I mean as per the need by the ILM. Okay, so that's all about the faces and attributes. Okay, I mean sorry, no, not why not why prefer the node dot roles rather than custom attribute while allocating your nodes. Okay, okay, thanks for watching. So, okay, if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and leave the comment, like my videos, and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.